Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove borders line in table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to remove borders line in table. Firstly, select the columns or rows, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the table design menu. Then click the borders drop down menu and choose no borders. Then click outside of the table and we can see we remove border lines in this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.